So the year is 2011 and I am at the SDN Forum Transportation Organizing Committee meeting, which is just as exciting as it sounds, and I am very, very nervous for two reasons. One, I am surrounded by many very senior colleagues, and two, I'm about to present a session proposal for something that I'm very excited about, but I don't know how the room will respond. The proposal was for inviting external experts to talk about how trends in crowdsourcing, open data, and open source software could be used to help solve transport challenges in developing countries. I gave my proposal, and the response from the room was overwhelmingly negative. Someone in the room suggested, "Holly, why don't you do a session on leaded versus unleaded fuels instead?" And someone else said that we had already planned a session on railway signaling, so we had technology covered and didn't need another technology session. So I left that meeting pretty deflated, but not defeated, because I really felt this was information that the World Bank and my colleagues should know about, especially if it could help us do better for our counterparts. So I figured all I need is a room and an email distribution list and a lot of flyers. So that's what I did. I got a room, I invited a panel of all-star experts from OpenStreetMap and OpenPlans, Datadyne, Ushahidi, and I spent a Saturday putting up like 100 flyers in all the World Bank buildings. In the end, our session was integrated in the SDN Forum program. We had this session, it was incredible, it was very eye-opening, and at the end, surveys were distributed to the participants. And a few days later, I received a call from the transfer anchor saying that according to the survey results, our session was the #1 rated transport session at SDN Forum. And when I received that call, I knew that one, we were definitely onto something, and two, that something is not going to be easy. So for this year's SDN Forum, I would like to talk about my journey, where I went from this kernel of an idea as something that I thought could be useful for our counterparts to where we are today with a program with more than $1 million, where we've had very tangible, incredible impacts in the field in the Philippines that have affected thousands of people. A program that has since been replicated by TTLs in Vietnam, China, Mexico City, and Brazil. A program that just a few hours ago, the head of the transportation group presented to a UK government delegation our work as an example of something the UK could learn from the World Bank. And in terms of the lesson learned that I'd like to impart, I'm not sure if it's clearly formed in my own mind, but something to the effect where taking a risk where maybe you don't have all of your senior colleagues on board, but if it's an idea that you know will work, sometimes it's worth going for it. So thank you for your consideration. I really look forward to the opportunity to work with you. Thank you.